Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one color scheme with 2D design. Okay, it's look like a gray, but I'm use here a black, red color. Okay, I convert into monochrome. That's why it look like this. Okay, for this we require worksheet. I'm going to send you worksheet with it. Okay, one color scheme means what? You have to make a lots of shade by using one color. Actually, you know that if you using a red color, you can see the pink color also the shade of red color. But how it's became? Okay, now this is the scale we are going to show you. Here I am draw the one scale. I am going to explain the how much distance you have to take. Each block having a 4 centimeter long and width 2.5 centimeter. After that we are going to draw here one right triangle shape. The height should be 13 centimeter and width is 15 centimeter. Okay, after this I am going to draw one golden point. Golden point means what? I am going to explain you afterwards what is the golden point of picture and what is the golden point of drawing and 2D design. Okay, simple flower shape I am going to draw here. Okay, like this you can draw. Now afterwards I am going to use here got all remaining part and overlapping to each and every part. By geometrical shape you can take the square, rectangle, triangle, circle shape. Okay, here I am using the 3 circle shape, 4 circle shape and 3 triangle shape. Like this you can take, it's depend on you, but each and every part should be overlap. There is no part is an alone. Okay, one of the principle of 2D design is to each and every part should be overlap. That time it's look like good. Like this, if any part is alone you can make a curve line to making them attach with other part. Okay, but here I am not going to use any curve line, just a geometrical shape like a triangle, square. As you can see that when you drawing triangle is not like that you have to draw straight. You can draw from any direction. Okay, and I am going to use rounder to draw circle. Okay, give time properly to drawing. Okay, I am recommended you don't draw too dark drawing, because when you paint some with color, that time it should be proper. Use lightly lines, but here you are not able to see the flower shape. That time overlapping it again by pencil, but you have to use a lightly lines like this. If your drawing finish now, I am going to take colors. Here I am using the postal colors. Okay, red, white and black. This is the color I take. You can change color also, but black and white is remain same. You can change green color, blue color. Okay, like this one by one you can take it. Before starting that, I am going to use take it out color from bottle in palette. Make that sure the water should be clean and your palette also clean. Sometime what will be happen if any color is downside and if you are trying to mix it, it became a different shade. That's why make that sure you have to take a clean palette and take a maximum percentage of color. As much you require that you can take it. See that if you try to make same shade with afterwards is not possible, because if any percentage of color little bit increase or decrease, color shade will be changed. Okay, I'm taking white color there. Use pointed brush to make to paint sharp part. Clean this properly and then start coloring. Okay, now I'm going to mix black and red color. I'm taking a much quantity of red color, mix it well. Now I'm taking a black color and mix it, try to make a dark shade. Okay, see that black color intensity is more than other color. That's why I'm taking just lightly black color, try to make a dark red color shade. Okay, now black colors work is finished, only that much black color will be required. When you painting any part, you have to paint outline parts first sharp, slowly, and then paint inside. Okay, this color we are going to use in 2D design, that design we draw. Okay, on that design I am going to use colors. Okay, like this. If you want to make another light color, you have to mix in that same color red color percentage more. Don't take black color again. As you can see, it's look like a little bit light. Actually, color when it will be dry, that time you can able to understand the color tones is different from the downside. Okay, now I'm going to use this color in design. See that you can repeat the color more than 2 to 5 times. It depend on you how much part is there. If smaller part is there, you can repeat it more time. Okay, paint it outline part shade, then inside. Okay, like this, one by one. Those color you are using in scale, that same color we are going to use on that flower shape. Okay, basically you can use anywhere of that, but for here I am going to use only the dark color shade for the flower shape. How many parts are divided there, that parts I am going to paint it. Okay, you can repeat color. Now see that I am taking a different color now. In that same color, those I used before that, in that same color I am taking a red color. See that when you making a light shade, that time you don't use that color because black color percentage is there. That's why you can take fresh red color and then mix white color to make light shade. Like this, on flower also I am using a more darker shade there, and that all remaining part I am going to use a light color shade. With the help of color, you can show the golden point. Our golden point is this flower. The placement of golden point is depend on you. I am going to show you what is the exactly placement of golden part. Afterwards we are going to learn in detail when we start 2D design. Okay, now I am taking a red color percentage more. See that here only 9 scale is there, 9 part is there, but in design we required more colors. That's why only if you finish a 9 part, then also you can make more light shade and paint all design properly. One by one you can paint each and every part same way. Now I am taking a red color, fresh red color. Here I am not using that which color I mixed before. Here I am taking some black red color, proper red color. Those became in your bottle. It is my fresh red color. From it I am going to mix light color shades and make light color now. Paint it properly. Okay. Now I am going to paint flower part. Okay, it look like the same, but make that sure the camera is not able to understand this the shades. But when will be dry, afterwards I am going to show you when it will be dry. That time you can see the color difference. Here see that I never made any do any border and anything is not required there, because when you paint sharp there is nothing essential to do border. Paint it sharp. Okay, now light color. Here I mix white color in that fresh red new color. Okay, see that when you taking that color, take much quantity, because if you want to make same like this shade, it's not able to make it. Okay, now those part is really near to the flower. I'm going to paint that part. Make that sure the color will be not come too close, okay, of nearby shade. But if sometime it's coming, let it be, but try to use keep a distance in same color. Okay, like this. One by one you can complete it. Paint sharp. You should control on your hand and paint it properly. If any white part remain there, you have to give color there. Try to paint sharp take much quantity of color, and water you should be, if essential there, that time you have to take water there, but use thick colors. Okay. Paint this part. Now scale is almost going to finish, only one part is there, but in design there are lots of parts, but afterwards I am going to paint only design mixing by other color. So like white color more, I am making light shade, but in scale I am going to show only 9 shades. Okay. One by one, where if any small part is there, paint that part also. Each and every part should be painted properly. Okay. Now this big part I am going to paint with that light color. Try to repeat color more than 2 to 3 times. If there are lots of small parts there, that time you can repeat more than this. Okay. Now in scale my last shade is there. I am mixing white color more. If you painting something, you have to paint with the pencil line. Okay, जहाँ पर अपनी पेंसिल लाइन निकालिए वहाँ से कलर करना है आपको. That time it's not essential to do border on it. Okay, now remaining part I am going to paint with that color, but there are lots of parts, that's why I am going to mix again white color and make it more light shade from it, and then paint all remaining part. You have to paint in one at a time, because if you try to paint afterwards, if you paint half part now and half then after some time, it's not able to mix properly shade, color will be dry. That time try to finish in at a one time at a time. Okay, like this we are going to paint all each and every part with the color. See that if you using a different color like blue, okay, blue, green, that time you have to take a percentage of black color, just little bit to take, because black color intensity is more than other color. That's why we are using just for 4 shades or 3 shades to black color, and that which color you have choose. So like this, one by one you can color it. When you painting any part, paint outline part first. What will be happen if you paint outline part, you able to understand how much part is big. Okay, you have to understand the length of each and every part. Make that sure the part should be attached the outline part. Sometime what will be happens, all design become inside only and outside only one part is there. It's not looking good. Okay, like this you can paint it. Now design going to almost finish now, only 2 to 3 parts is remain. Okay, like this we are going to finish one color scheme. You can change color, if you want to take a different color you can take it, but don't take yellow color, because yellow color having a you can able to make shades, but that time you have to mix yellow ochre and different shades. Okay, afterwards it's look like this. Take a proper percentage of water. Okay, see that flower is look like a gold.